Hey friends, what's up? This is Shiva and welcome to my another Clickbank training video. In this video guys, I will show you how you can promote Clickbank offer without a website using free traffic method. So if you are new on this channel, I invite you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Because in this channel guys, I talk about how to make money online, how to make money as a affiliate marketer. So in this channel guys, I share my strategy, my technique that I'm using to make money online as a affiliate marketer. So if you don't know what is Clickbank, Clickbank is a affiliate marketplace. There are so many affiliate programs you can promote and you can start making money online as a affiliate marketer. So just go to clickbank.com and if you don't have Clickbank account, just click on create account, and then you have to fill up your information like name, email address, phone number, and you have to then click on next step. Then you have to fill up your banking information, payee name, and your banking country. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to select your account nickname. You have to create your password, and then you will receive a confirmation SMS, sorry, confirmation email. You have to confirm your email account, then your account will be open. Then you have to log in into your account, so just click on login. So then you have to enter your account nickname, username and password. So just click on login. So first of all guys, I want to show you that I'm making money with Clickbank. So you can see $500, $140, $300, $197, and this week I made only $44. So I'm making money with Clickbank. So you can see I I'm making money so that I can show you what is working for me. So I will show you the same strategy that I'm using. So if you want to learn step by step, if you want to create a long-term business in affiliate marketing, so you can sign up for free training. You can check the link in description. You can sign up for free training and you can attend the free training, and you will discover how you can promote other people's product and you can earn good amount of commission. So after login into your account, you click on marketplace, and you can choose. There are so many categories available. You can see cooking, e-business, e-marketing, employment, education, game, fiction, green products, health and fitness, home, garden, self-help. There are so many tons of product available. You can choose and you can promote. So in this video guys, I will show you the product you can promote and you can earn good amount of commission. So you just have to click on e-business and e-marketing. So you can see there is a program available, Super Affiliate System by John Cristani, auto webinar funnel. So you can see its gravity right now 60. So it means 60 affiliate are successfully promoting this offer and earning good amount of commission. So you can see the average sale is 510 and $20.25. If you get only one sale, so you will make $510.25. So you just have to click on promote and you have to enter your account nickname and you have to click on generate hop link, and then you have to copy your affiliate link and then close the tab, and you can shorten your affiliate link by, there are so many options available like Google shortener, bitly, and tiny URL. So you can shorten your link, and then you have to create a landing page. So you can use Wix.com to create your landing page. So when you will log in into your account, you will see the option create new site. Then you have to, let me show you. Go to Wix.com, and you have to create your account on Wix, and then you can see there are so many sites available, and I am using Wix, and you can see there are so many landing page I have created on Wix. So you have to click on create new site, and you can see I have created the landing page of super affiliate system. So you can copy the same page, you can use the same headline, you can use the same image, the same description, and the button, and it will take some time to load. So I just edit site. So you can see this is my landing page. So you can save this image, and you have to add, if you want to add image on your landing page, so just click on add, and click on image, and you can upload your image here, and you can copy the same text, the same headline, free training how to earn a 6-figure self side income online, and you can add a button. So just click on add, and you can see this is the option of button. So you can select the button, and you can put your affiliate link in the button. So you can see this is my affiliate link. So you have to enter your affiliate link in web address, then click on done. So you can, if you want to add text on your landing page, so just click on add, and add, you can add text from in the text section. If you want to add headline, paragraph, right? So then after creating your landing page, click on save, and you can click on publish now, right? And you can preview, you can see your landing page. So we have created our landing page, and now we have to drive traffic on our landing page. So we will use, guys, Quora. So you already heard about Quora. This is the very powerful platform to share your content, and there are tons of traffic you can drive on your affiliate link, and you can earn good amount of commission. So you have to create first your Quora account if you don't have Quora account, and we are promoting super affiliate system. So let me show you super affiliate system review. So you can see this question ranked on Google first page. Has anyone heard of super affiliate system? So you can create a review of super affiliate system, and you can generally talk about what is the super affiliate system is about, who is the creator, what is the system is about, what will what is it is offering. So it is basically offering us affiliate marketing training, how to leverage the power of paid advertising to make a long-term income as an affiliate marketer. So you can see, and you cannot directly put your affiliate link in your answer. So let me show you. I have put my affiliate link in my answer. You can see the result. Your answer has been deleted by Quora moderation. So that's why we have created our landing page first. So you have to put your landing page link in your answer. So let me show you. So if you don't know about what is super affiliate system, so you can see there are so many reviews available. So you can check out all these review and you can write the same article. So let me show you. Just click on, you can select whichever article do you want to select. So for example, let me copy this review, and if you can rewrite this article, it is good. But if you cannot rewrite the article, so there is a tools available. You can use these tools for free. It's called site called smallseotools.com. smallseotools.com. If you search on Google rewrite article, so this site available on Google's first page. So you can just click on that, and you have to enter your copied article that you want to rewrite, and you have to click on rewrite article. Your article will be rewritten and you don't have to pay any kind of fees on Fiverr, on Upwork. You can use these tools for free, and then after your article will be rewritten, then you can write, you can copy the article and you can paste in your answer. You can paste in answer, you can use this kind of text, and you can put your landing page link in the end of your answer. So first of all, you provide information about the super affiliate system, who is the creator of super affiliate system, what are the pros and cons of super affiliate system, what are what bonus will get if you buy this system, and then in the end of your answer you can mention if you want to buy this program and you want more information about this program, you can click here and you can mention your landing page link. And you can also mention that if you want free training, you can sign up for free training. You can enter your landing page link in your answer and you can save. So after saving your answer, so you can see this answer posted on 9th of February, and 500 and something 507 people viewed this answer. So if only 10 people, it means if 500 people seeing this answer, reading this answer, this means they are interested to buy in super affiliate system. So if only 10 people bought this system, so you can calculate how much commission he is making. And if you get only one sale, you will make $510.25. So if you put your landing page link, your answer will be not deleted. And if you use your affiliate link directly in your answer, so your answer will be deleted by Quora moderation. So I will request you to first of all create your landing page. You can use Wix for free. If you are using ClickFunnels, you can use ClickFunnels, and you can start collecting your email if you want a long-term business. And you can use Weebly. So there are so many free options available, guys. So that's it in today's video. And first, and you can try this technique, and I will definitely say that will definitely get good result. So I'm not saying that you have to promote super affiliate system. There are so many products available. You can promote any kind of product using the same technique, the same strategy, and it will work, guys. It will work. So I hope you get value from this. If you really get value from this video, guys, I request you to subscribe my channel and help me to grow my channel. And I'm coming with new strategy and new technique to make money online. And I will see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to sign up for free training, guys. Link in the description. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.